So that I'm gonna be singing "Standing in the Rain" by Superchic. Hope you guys like it. She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but really feels it when she's all alone. Feels like that dawn coming down. She won't turn around. Shadows are long and she fears that she cries. That for tears, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. So stand in the rain. She won't make a sound. Alone in this fight with herself and her fears, whispering, if she stands, she'll fall down. She won't turn around. The only way out is through everything she's running from. Don't give it up and lie down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. And you want? Really hope you guys like it. Sorry for the rudeness back here. He's not rude, he's just being a pest. Make me, fool!
You just recorded that, huh?
So? Sorry for the intrusion. It's available. Fucking cat. Hope you guys liked my song. Hope you guys liked my song and that it was great. If it wasn't, push dislike. If it was, push like. Thank you for seeing me sing. It's my first time recording myself. Not first. You could find me 2 more times on here. So, bye!